Wato sanunko idan welcome to the net show. Wakwale me Musa. Wato some people the wonder na waiting it happened yesterday. The people in a studio. Ama abande na ke cheko na bequest of Balantam. Sentence na easy bill. Sani easy bill. Peace.
Easy beats.
Easy bill. And as if one call them for easy bill. It will flow. Catch easy bill.
Easy beat, Nedu, easy beat.
Easy bill. So no, people in understand for one quantity. I will tell me sentence. If you are going to consideration at the center, you are going to put your two eyes on consideration. Can I see no ko? To sorry in our coin yesterday, na because is a bit idan high in our com. Because idan center I don't do for Balantam.
Nedu, what's me your name now today on top this show?
I tell me center.
Alaji.
Quite it go look with me. What say? What tell call my name?
Ask you.
Ask what I call my name.
Oh, Nedu, this your English they confuse me now. What's me your name?
So I wouldn't say when Sunana or call me Musa. My full name is Alhaji Musa Don Combo Dan Lady. My tata say when of Zamfara. Kuma me general go when of abandon Oguso. I get a plenty. Make I tell me something, you know. Two-face. Now be the center go talk two-face. I talk two-face. Now be the center.
Not the same.
Not the center. Now the center. Two-face where they do for Dubai. Now me is a black cow.
Now you carry cow from Lagos to Dubai.
La me is a play. I tell him
how you did fly the cow?
Yeah, liver. Na me go telling me. After go telling me. Una good evening.
Hey! Not be God. Hey!
My brother, now good evening and welcome on something national. My name
is the one that is even in my eye class. They receive me saying, who sit down here by my side?
My name is Nedu and Katim Nedu 9 day here for today, and of course our able DJ Easy Beats.
Musa na your brother.
If you don't understand, I will tell him. You see, you are going to the consideration of the consideration of the constable. If you not telling me in Agua, no, then I will say, I be in
you don't say if you be like this that time when you talk to me, I don't follow you.
If I commit money like a Dangote, you not go follow me.
Like as you be so.
Not go follow me.
I not go follow you.
They didn't think I don't follow.
Anyway,
una go wonder why we not come yesterday. Why be saying I repeat to do yesterday? Before I go talk that one, imagine Valentine on Saturday, we they talk this thing. Imagine say, we're not supposed to talk this thing by this kind of time. Some children they watch, but we just talk them. Imagine say that Valentine Day, say all the wiping, where then they wipe, it be like gunshot.
All the wiping.
Hey! Where maybe if easy bit the wipe, it go there. Bah!
You know this is compound. When Kate sees house, you go just walk up past that house like this. That compound, you go here.
Imagine say that day alone, wiping be like gunshot sound. Let me say now World War II will happen that day. If you pass somewhere for a jungle, go there.
It go be like say the new banker.
If you come in the new house, for you come and get back, but I go boom.
You know, say children go run. Children go fear say be like say, God they come.
Anyway, when I welcome to the night show, but it gets something more water before I enter the night show. Una no cockroach. Now,
when plenty e get men wey dey fear cockroach.
E get men wey dey fear cockroach.
Easy be dey fear cockroach.
No, I know fear cockroach. No.
E get, I know say na women dey quick dey fear cockroach, including me.
You get luck say I not bring cockroach come today.
Wow.
One dollar two or three importance of cockroach.
So when they ask you for exam,
You go know.
You go
now,
know what to take to
one
write.
thing where most of una no know, we say we know, Now jihad. Toilet to jihad.
aye, jihad of life.
Now,
Jihad.
you know say man of cockroach. If he wipe woman of cockroach, now only once he go pour akamu inside there. He go. He not go wipe him again.
Finish.
See you.
That one's once in a lifetime.
Once in a lifetime wiping.
Once in a lifetime.
That once in a lifetime wiping. If the female cockroach one born now, he go remember. Oh, I see that akamu. He go come out some. Come out children. Then the remaining akamu still there.
He just there for fixed deposit.
Fees deposit.
Fixed deposit. Next time if the cockroach one born again, oh, I still get deposit of wiping. Where that guy wipe, wait to wait inside. You go bring him his head. Throw it in case if it is not allowed with the lie. Google them, make you see. Now, three importance of cockroach. But people don't know.
Number one.
Cockroach they make family come together.
You know how?
Easy bit, you know how?
How?
Okay. If husband and wife they quarrel for house, for instance example, husband they say, you go and sit down. Wife they say, go and sit down.
Husband,
yeah, nothing but the church rat.
Yeah, husband go carry his iPad like this. Go sit down for parlor. They praise, they look internet.
Then the woman
go call kitchen for night.
Wait now.
You be woman now.
Now you get the story.
Now all of us get the story. Who tell you say your personal story? You put that for pocket, or you put that for bank, or you go fixed deposit the story.
Anyway, your cousin, if the woman see the cockroach, woman go shout, cockroach, she'll come jump on top of the husband. They'll call her, they'll come stop to vex. So that is one importance of cockroach. But anyway, make we leave that part. What we discuss today on top of the night show, make una no vex. We'll not go. The fact, the matter we want to discuss today. Now easy beats. Now I know the person where this thing happened to.
They do.
Sorry. Another supposed
No be easy.
No be me.
Sorry.
Be easy.
Sorry.
No be me.
Easy yours, better.
Anyway, this thing where this gist. Una go call our phone numbers go there on top of TV. Una go begin call, but we'll go break, come back before una begin call. Now the matter we say we go discuss today on top of the night show. Now say this guy and this babe where they do boyfriend and girlfriend for London. As they do boyfriend and girlfriend, the guy come Nedu and say, baby, will you marry me? The girl come agree, I will marry you. Then come Nigeria now. Say make them come do their marriage. Now a day. A day.
No, hours, 1 hour.
Couple of hours, yes.
Yeah, just
1
some
hour
hours
or thereabout.
Hours before the main wedding. This girl now, for the hotel where they day, she can't jam her before boyfriend, ex-boyfriend. Now, I see boyfriend, how are you?
Long time. Oh, you're looking good. Yeah, me see how your body is. So they come.
What's happening? Today's your wedding. Today's your wedding.
Congratulations in advance.
Are you in this hotel? Yes. Where's your room number?
221.
Now, so the girl follow up, make them go say hi. As they follow up, make them go say hi. Whoop.
They wipe.
Now the guy wipe. Deposit some kind of thing inside there. He wipe. So after the wiping now, the guys still go ahead. They do the marriage and everything. They can't travel, go back to London. Now after 2 years, she don't born. No. Okay,
she go back to London.
No, before they come out, she find out say she get belle.
Yes.
She can't go tell the guy because women they know who give them belle. Forget.
Yes, of course.
Women they know who give them belle. Now she can't go tell this her ex-boyfriend now.
Say, I don't know anything.
Guy, that wiping won't wipe that day. I don't carry belle. The guy is shocked. Now that shock where that guy is shocked, the guy not talk anything for that shock. Now so the guy waka come out. You know come to take the husband and the wife we don't marry now can't travel go London back. 2 years later they can't come back.
You
know
they come
visit
you know
family.
as they come say make
they go visit. Make them visit family. Not be as they come back. The boy don't grow. Fine boy. The guy now where wipe for that wipe, where give that belly of that boy. Come find out say them day town. The guy now come they begin. Say make them give him in Pekin. Now the man will marry that girl now. Come they say in die over in dead body. Say him not go allow make them take the Pekin because now he take care. Now he marry the woman.
Now he did it when the Pekin born. Now he take care of the pikin till when he reach that
Oh,
age.
now him dey buy diaper, now him buy everything. So
Everything.
therefore, he no go allow make that guy take am. Me say the woman go don't tell am say, Oga, now this guy now wipe me, will make me get the belly. Now the question what they ask una today, if now you be the husband, you go keep the pikin as the man take the do, and what be your reason? If now you be the guy where wipe, where leave the pikin there, why you go like collect the pikin? You collect the pikin, abi you go leave am? Why? Anyway, you go call us on top of our phone numbers and then make you follow us on top Twitter at W Night Show. Make you comment they talk that thing. Comment, comment.
May then tell us what
Just talk on top of the show. Anyway, we'll hand over to Easy Beat right now. Make
Meanwhile, Easy Beat, you don't talk about Easy Beat cloth.
Hey.
I use the look and see. No be kind of cloth be this. I been
No, Nigeria. Oh.
this one.
Yeah, they just.
Easy Beat can laugh like boo boo. Like person with a finger in spirit.
Easy Beat don't retouch she hair.
No man, I live.
He don't retouch she hair. The
This
coil.
guy.
He
This
can't
guy.
be like coil. They senior brother.
This guy. Anyway, when they come back, we go enter market. When we come back, our phone numbers go on top of TV. You go begin to call us. Make we hear what you get to think on top of the matter. When they come back.
Maybe it's heavy.